Hi friends, today I will be teaching you how to remember the trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. Let's start. These are the trigonometrical ratios of standard angle starting from 0 degree to 90 degree. Now first I will be teaching how to derive sine. So to derive sine, I will be teaching 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now I have to divide everything by 4 and root everything. Okay, now this will be sine 0, this will be sine 30, this will be sine 45, this will be sine 60 and this will be sine 90. So first root of 4 is 2 and 0 is 0. Anything divided by 0 is 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. Now this one, same way, root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now this condition is reversed for 45. This is not applicable for 45. So same way I have to divide it. Root 2 is root 2 and this is 2. Okay, but the standard value is not this. It's 1 by root 2. So just for 45 this is not applicable. Okay, now for 60 the same way it's applicable. Root 3 is root 3 divided by 4, root is 2. So sine in 60 is root 3 by 2. Same way for 90, 4 and root of 1 is 1. So sine 90 is 1. Now for cos we have to write sine in descending order, that is from big to small. So this 1 will be here, this 0 here, this root 3 by 2 will come here, root 3 divided by 2. This will remain same and this will be here. Start. Okay, now for tan, first we have to fill this 90 block. This symbol means not defined. And for cot, the first, and for secant last, and for cosecant here. This means not defined. These standard values are not yet defined. Okay, now for tan is the reciprocal or division of sine by cos. That is, tan is equal to sine divided by cos. Sine by cos. So I have to divide sine and cos to obtain tan. So when I divide 0 by 1 I get 0, and when I divide 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, these 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So remaining will be 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now the same way for 45, everything will get cancelled, it will be 1. And for tan 60, again I have to cancel this 2. So I get root 3 by 1, which is root 3 itself. Okay, now for cot, the same way we have to write it in descending order, the tan. That's why not defined is here. This 0 will be here, this root 3 will come here, 1 will remain 1, and this will be as 1 by root 3. Okay, now we will be teaching secant. Secant will be the reciprocal of cos. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 by root 2 will be root 2 by 1 or root 2. And reciprocal of 2 by 1 will be 2 by 1 or 2. Now we have to write secant in descending order for cosec. So same way this 1 will be here, 2 will come here, this root 2 will remain root 2, and this will be 2 by root 3. Now this is the way we identify and derive the standard value of trigonometrical ratios. If you like my video, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the bell button to get all my notifications.